students, welcome to another art session. I am Ruslim Kosandu. So today we are going to do paper craft, and I have brought this honeybee and this tiny little beetle that we are going to make today. So let's begin. So we will be beginning with this, our bees. I will be teaching you how to make these first. So for making this, I have taken these pastel sheets. You can choose any color. I have chosen this dark blue color because I did not have my black one. You want to use blue, you can. If you want to use black, it is your wish, alright? And then I have this red color. Okay, so first things first. I have drawn these circles of same size that I am going to cut. So I have my two reds of same size and one of blue. And then I cut a bit smaller circle from blue. Alright. This we are going to be using for the head part. Now I'll tell you how to go about it. I'm keeping them aside for the time being. Okay, I'll be working on this. Now these bees, as you can see, they have spots. So we are going to be making the spots. Alright. I have taken my marker. Just randomly go about. So I have made the circles. Now if you want it to be more easy for you, you can fold this before drawing the circles. Once you fold it, you have this line with you, half line. So you are going to draw the circles on either side, and you can avoid the line, making on the line the dots. Now I will flip this over and I will be doing the same thing here. I will be drawing random circles on this side also. You can use the origami sheets also. They are also easy to make things with. I am using this because their folds, when I will be curling them, it will take the shape, it is not going to straighten itself. Whereas in origami you can do that, but then sometimes you have to redo the curves for that. So let me make these dots on both the red papers, then I'll get back to you. So my circles are ready, as you can see. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold them like this, and now I'm going to paste them on my bigger blue circle. Alright, so I'll show you how. Let me just keep this. You can avoid making circles on half a side of one portion. I forgot to mention that part. Let it paste. So I have pasted both. Okay, I'm fixing it so that it doesn't come off easily. Now this is what the front will look like, and this is what the back is going to look like. We don't want, even if this goes out a bit more to the outer side, it doesn't matter. It is supposed to go like that, because we are leaving this much space inside. So ये automatically दोनों जो हैं हमारे circles, कोई ज़्यादा बाहर जा सकता है, कोई कम जा सकता है, तो उसका we don't have to be tensed about that. It is supposed to go there. Okay. So, once this is done, I'll move to the smaller circle. So first and foremost thing that we want to do is make the eyes. Alright. You can use those googly eyes. I don't have those, so I'm using my silver marker. Okay. Alright, now since this is done, I will be making the antennas, okay, and I'll show you. So this strip was from my earlier, I have saved it. So I'm going to cut one line. I hope my line is visible to you. I want very thin strip. Right? I will be cutting it. So I have cut this strip. Alright, now I'm going to fold it into half. I'm going to pinch at the center. Okay? And then I will break it off because I want two. If you don't want to break it, that is also fine. Then what you are going to do is keep them like this, both of them stuck together. Okay? With your pencil, roll it like this. Hold end of the strip, okay, with the pen here over the pencil. Hold it, okay, and then slide it like this. Make a circle. Hold it for few seconds. It is going to take the shape of the circular shape of the pencil. Done. Now when I'm going to do it like this, separate them. Now what you do is make a V. Done. Once this V is done, then we are going to paste it behind this circle. So I'm going to put one dot of Fevicol here. Alright. Now this V, इसको थोड़ा हम नीचे तक लेके जाएंगे, ठीक है? And बिल्कुल in the center of the eyes. I've pinched it. Now you see. Just hold for a few seconds so that it dries off and it sticks to the paper. See? This is ready, and this was the back side. Okay. Now comes this part. I'm going to put one little bit dot over here. I am not sure if you have noticed it or not, but see my lips of the smile of this bee. It is bit higher. बिल्कुल सर्कल के साथ नहीं है, मैंने ऊपर रखी है. There was a reason, because हम उसका बाकी का जो बॉडी है उसको यहाँ तक फिक्स करेंगे. ओके, फुल सर्कल नजर नहीं आएगा. So see where I am putting the glue. Alright, now this is our bee. Let me just pinch it for a few seconds so that it dries off and it is good and pasted. Yeah, so this is done. Our bee is ready. I hope you like this. Now we will move to the next one. Next we are going to make this honeybee. Alright, it's pretty, right? So for this I have taken origami sheet, yellow. You can even use your pastel sheets. Alright, it is your choice. And then this is the leftover paper of my the previous bee that I have used. So now what I'll do is I need two circles from each paper. Alright, this is a bigger circle and this is bit smaller. Okay, so one bigger circle, one smaller circle. I'm going to draw the same here, one bigger and one smaller. So now these circles, the size of the bigger circles will be same of both. दोनों के जो हम बड़े सर्कल्स बनाएंगे सेम साइज के होंगे और जो छोटे सर्कल्स होंगे वो भी सेम साइज के होंगे. All right, this is these two circles, four circles are for the body. अभी वी आर नॉट एट द पॉइंट ऑफ द हेड, वो मैं बाद में बताऊंगी उसका सर्कल कितना लेना है. ठीक है, फर्स्ट वील मेक द बॉडी ऑफ द बी. So as you can see, I have cut out my circles. Now these bigger circles are of same size and these smaller ones are of same size. Alright, now what I'll do is, now I want a thin strip where I will be pasting these shapes. So this will be the size of my strip. I will cut it till here. Now I will be taking my yellow circle, bigger one, okay, and I will be pasting it here. Now see how. First step is I'm going to take my pencil, I'm going to roll this around here, and I'll just hold it for a few seconds so that this paper takes this shape. I just want a curve, this much curve, that's it. ऐसा मुझे कर्व चाहिए बस, पूरा बंद नहीं हमने करना, नो, थोड़ा खुला हुआ. ठीक है, एंड हियर आई विल I folded this like this. Now it will be easier for you to paste. When you are applying the Fevicol, please very little bit you should put it. Alright, now I am going to leave the space. See how much. See how much I have left. Alright, we have left this side. The reason is we are going to paste head here, so we need some space here. Okay, so this much is enough. Now I will take my bigger circle, blue bigger circle. Alright, again I'm going to pinch it. So I have the curvy shape, I have pinched it like this. Okay, I'm going to put blue here, tiny bit. Now how to paste it? You are going to lift your strip, इसको उठाओ. ठीक है, स्ट्रिप को उठाओ और नीचे वाला, इसको नहीं हमने छेड़ना है. ठीक है, नीचे वाले को थोड़ा सा ऐसे करो और ये अंदर जाके लगाना है हमने. आई होप दिस इज विजिबल टू ऑल. देखो मैं अंदर जाके मैंने कैसे लगाया, पूरा अंदर तक नहीं लगाना. ठीक है, इज इट विजिबल? मेरा यहाँ तक है. ठीक है, इतना स्पेस मैंने छोड़ के यहाँ पे लगाया है. नाउ इसको थोड़ा आई विल प्रेस इट. ओके, सो आई हैड रिपीटेड द सर्कल्स एंड आई हैव पेस्टेड द स्मॉलर ones also. Okay, now what I am going to do with the front, I am going to fold it like this. Alright, so this is standing now. Here we are going to paste the head of the bee. Alright, so for the head I am going to cut one more circle and it is going to be the smallest circle. जो हमारे smaller circles थे उनसे भी छोटा circle होगा ये. So my circle is ready. Now for this, again I am going to draw the eyes. And the smile. Okay. Now I will be making the antennas. I have already shown you how to draw them. So I will be repeating the same. First I am going to cut the strip. So I have already pasted the antennas. Now the head is complete. Now I'll show you how to fix it here. So here this strip that I had left out, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some glue here. Little bit glue, and then I'm going to fix it. Just hold it for a few seconds so that it gets pasted. Now this is done. So you can leave it as it is also, as I had left it in my previous the ones I have already done. Or if you wish to make the wings, I'll show you how. I have this origami sheet, blue one. Okay. I have joined them together. I had this half paper left with me. So what I'm doing is I'm going to just fold them into half, and then I'm going to draw it. I'm going to draw this shape, and I'm going to cut it around this. Alright. So after cutting them, I got these two wings. Alright. So I'm going to put some glue here. Teeny bit. Alright. And like this, on the second part where I have pasted this blue one, there I will fix it like this. Alright. Same way here. Little bit glue. This is ready. Now, back part. In a triangular shape, I am going to cut this. So our bee is ready. I hope you like it. Next week I will be doing something else, and see you next week.